There lived a poor miller with his daughter. She was very beautiful and charming. The miller was a chatterbox and had a habit of exaggerating what he told to others. The miller had fooled many people many times, so they complained about the miller to the king. The king decided to teach him a lesson and call him to visit.
ஒரு காலத்தில் இருந்த மரக்காட்டு விளிம்பில் ஒரு சிறிய ராஜ்யம் இருந்தது. காட்டில் வாழ்ந்த தீய இருப்பை பற்றிய கதைகள் கூறப்பட்டன. இன்னும் ராஜ்யத்தில் மக்கள் ஒரு இளம் மன்னரின் புத்திசாலித்தனமான ஆட்சிகளுக்கு மகிழ்ச்சியாக வாழ்ந்து வந்தார். ஒரு ஏழை மில்லர் மகளுடன் வசித்து வந்தார். அவள் மிகவும் அழகாகவும் இருந்தாள். மில்லர் அரட்டை அடிப்பவர், மற்றவர்களிடம் சொல்வதை மிகைப்படுத்தி பேசும் பழக்கம் கொண்டவர். மில்லர் பலரை பலமுறை ஏமாற்றியதால் மில்லரை பற்றி மன்னரிடம் புகார் செய்தார்கள். அரசர் அவருக்கு பாடம் கற்பிக்க முடிவு செய்து அவரை பார்க்க அழைத்தார்.
Greetings, Your Majesty. The miller has come. Ask him to come inside. My dear Majesty, thank you for giving me the honor to meet you. Since you don't know anything about me, I have a daughter. I would like to tell you about me and my daughter. Yes, please go ahead. I have a daughter who is the most beautiful girl in the world. She can spin gold out of straw. Is it? I wonder how this is possible. That is an amazing art. Please ask your daughter to unmeet me. Let me test whether she is as clever as you say. Bring her to my castle. I may pull her to the proof. Oh, yes, sure, my Majesty. King, I think the miller is fooling us. That will become clear tomorrow. We shall wait.
Yes, my lord.
Miller went home and told his daughter all about it. Father, I have always told you, don't lie to anyone. See, now what has happened, you are trapped in our whole life. Father was speechless and ashamed of himself. Both of them left for the castle to face the upcoming disasters. Oh, welcome Mr. Miller. Welcome beautiful lady. You are as beautiful as your father had described. I hope you spin the gold from straw. Let's not waste any time. Come with me.
Papa.
How can I spin straw into gold? How? I have no such power.
முன்னாடி போடா. பழைய தான் பார்த்து நீங்கள் வீடியோ எடுக்குது உக்காந்து எடுக்க முடியாது.
I have got to spin straw into gold. How did you do this?
What will you give me if I spin this straw into gold for you?
I can give you my necklace.
Okay, sir. Okay.
The miller's daughter didn't know what to do. She was in distress. Suddenly there appeared a fearsome looking little man. Wow, how did you do this? I can't believe my eyes. Thank you, little man. Who you are? What's your name? Ha 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 ha. The little man did not say his name. He went away from there. In the morning, the king came and saw the gold. He was astonished. Oh my goodness, I was thinking that you and your father are telling lies. Now we go and take some rest. I will meet you in the evening. Okay. Minister, this time you fill the bigger room with straw.
Yes, my lord. To ask you say, my lord.
The miller's daughter thought that the king could now reward her and let her go home peacefully. But in the evening, the greedy king took her into a room. The room was much bigger than the previous room.
நான் இங்கேயே ஏற்று நின்றுட்டேன்.
If you and your father went to live, then you must be spun all of this straw into gold tonight. The girl did not know what to do. She was sad. The little man appeared for the room again.
Stop crying, girl. I will spin it for you. What will you give me if I spin this straw into gold for you?
I have nothing left to give this time
From my finger. Okay.
Wow, how did you do this? I can't believe my eyes. Thank you so much, little man. Your name, please.
Ha 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 ha.